Creating funnel charts are super easy, but it is an extremely powerful and useful tool. This tool is extensively helpful if the given data is sequential in nature and move through different stages. Now let us go ahead and see what exactly funnel chart is all about. So this is the funnel chart. What you see on the right corner here. So this is the funnel chart. The funnel chart looks like an inverted funnel. If the given data is sequential in nature and move through different stages, we use funnel chart. The funnel chart is commonly used in sales and marketing team to analyze various stages of sales funnel. You might be asking, what is sales funnel? It is a marketing term. It is a visual representation. It is helpful to view right from receiving enquiries from customers to till the conversion of the customers. This funnel chart helps companies, especially the sales funnel chart, helps the companies to understand and visualize their sales process and measure overall conversion success between each step of the funnel. Now let us go ahead and create a funnel chart, and then let's interpret the chart. So in the Power BI desktop, under the visualizations pane, I'm going to click on this funnel chart. Currently this chart is empty because we haven't yet added the required visualization arguments. To add data to this chart, we have to add the required fields. As you can see here on the right side, there are two fields, other, group and values. I am going to specify the column that display the various stages of this funnel chart. The sales funnel column, I just go ahead and drag and drop this here. This sales funnel column, it has the different stages in it, and I am going to drag and drop the leads column to the values field. Instead of dragging and dropping this, I just check mark this column. Boom, now my funnel chart is ready. Now let us interpret this visual. Let's say last week you advertised your product in the television. As a result of this, you received 346 customer inquiries, out of which your sales staff contacted and classified 147 leads as a potential leads. So out of the 147 leads, the salespeople, let's say they contacted 118 customers, which led to 88 customers filling in the proposal form. Finally, 60 customers got converted. With this, we can understand the overall conversion success between each step of the funnel. That is pretty much it.